In this video I'll show you how to fix the problem of lights and dashboard not working on a Vespa ET4. The bike starts with the kickstarter, but not with the electric starter. The 7.5 amp fuse was blown and I'm replacing it. In my case I think it blew because I had charged the battery with the wrong charger.